the best cookies ever made. Raspberry cheesecake. Okay, so I got me some Dollar Tree packs here. I wouldn't have spent this much money if my favorite store was open, okay? So, unfortunately, oh yeah, this is Celestial Storm. I got two of these because they're one of my favorites. Okay. So I was gonna start building my bear deck tonight, but like I said earlier, they were closed. I don't know what I was thinking. Big Lots didn't have any cards. I just thought I'd try, but... Alright, Belden. Ooh, Weeping Bell. And Ace. Energy. Switch. Reverse. I'm gonna save that. Alright, let's go... Forbidden Light. That's my second favorite so far, especially in the Sun and Moon, I guess I should say. So I got one of each that they carried. They had a box for Breakthrough, which is a good one for X and Y, but they were dumb. Okay, we got ourselves a Dewpider. Ooh, a UXE. And a reverse Clauncher. Hey, I just got the evolution of that. Fates Collide, XY. Actually, yeah. Sorry. I spit out some boogies. So, I was planning on working out today, but I bought the wrong shoes, and I'm not sure if I want to work out in my socks or not, so I guess I can Binacle, do some push-ups and stuff. Ooh, sweet Kangaskhan Kong with Tiny Punch and Mega Punch. And Carbink rare. Energy attached, basic Pokemon, can't be discarded by effects of your opponent's attack abilities or trainer cards. Oh, that's neat. It's kind of useless, but it's neat. It was Fates Collide, so I guess it was a different time back then. Alright, we're in the new... Actually, yeah, let's do the new Lost Thunder here. Oh, man, I've been wanting this card for my collection. I'm excited I got it. Dedenne! And then we got... Ooh, Sableye. I thought he was a rare, but okay. Let's see, Quick Hunt. This is attack first turn. Search your deck for a card and put it in your hand, then shuffle. Pick 3 damage counters off your opponent's Pokemon in any way you like. Put 3 damage counter. Okay. And then, aha! A Dustox. I don't have Dustox. Yes, rare. Alright, I got 2 rares. Well, yeah, 2 rares. Alright, base set, Sun and Moon. Which I haven't opened very much base set yet. Alright, Litten. Ooh, energy switch. And, oh yeah, Stuffle. I need that. All right. Onyx. Please be a good one. Oh, it's not going to be a good one, is it? Energy and... oh, it is a common. Sneasel. Lame. So, recap. We got a reverse energy switch. A reverse Clauncher? I don't know. A Kangaskhan, a Carbink rare. A Sweet Dedenne. A Dustox rare. And that's pretty much it. Nothing good. I needed that Stuffle for my bear deck, though. That's one less card I gotta buy, bro. Okay. Time to go through these cards. So, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.